All right, well, we've had a fantastic day of instruction with Tarifa Salem and just enjoying it so much. This afternoon we took a Raks Assaya class, which is a cane dance of Upper Egypt. And we learned some awesome choreography. Well, we didn't quite get it in the memory bank yet, but as a way of celebrating Tarifa today, we're going to try to attempt to do this choreography. We're just going to kind of follow along and have fun. So we'd like to show you what we worked on this afternoon and hope you enjoy it. So anybody that wants to do this, grab your cane and come on up. Come on up to the stage and join me now.
Let's give it up one more time for Tarifa Salem's performance. Wasn't that amazing, ladies and gentlemen? Both of those were fantastic. Gina would like to thank you all for coming to the Spring Raks Pensacola Showcase 2018. She would like to give a huge thank you. She would like to give a huge thank you to Tarifa, Salem, all the performers, class participants, vendors, volunteers, and supporters. Most of all, she would like to thank God and her husband, Joe. Please check the information table in the vendor area for dance, event, announcements, and information. Spring Raks Pensacola will be held next year on April 27, 2019, so please save the date.
All right, so Tarifa would like to say something.
Hi, first of all, shukran, shukran, shukran. Thank you so much. And I just want to say thank you so much to Gina, having the faith in me to pull off a long day. And I do want to say one thing from what I saw tonight. This community of dancers is alive and well, and with holding the standards of the Middle Eastern dance art. And I just want everybody to know that this art is alive and well in the Pensacola and surrounding areas. And everybody here was absolutely beautiful. And Gina, thank you so much for giving these young ladies the opportunity. And thank you, audience, for being here. This was the highlight of my year. Thank you.